quick video on the Seasider armrest cover. Kind of a faux leather, but pretty nice. Call it 2-inch pad. Little elastic sock thingamajigger. Just pop it up. Whichever side you want. I want the tag away from me so I don't see it. And just put it on. If I can do it one-handed. Get it situated where you want. Make sure it doesn't block your latch. And there we go. Much softer than the original. Looks pretty good in there. Someone else had one with red stitches, which I might have gone with that, but they had this on sale for $8. So I wanted to try it. I'll link it. I don't know how long the sale will last, but it'll also show you the other suggested items with different colors. They also included some 3M sticky pads you could put underneath here if it moves around too much, which I don't think it will, since it's pretty tight against these, maybe a different model car, different seats and slides, so you just put those sticky pads to keep it from moving. So anyways, hope it helps.